Can I recover compensation for ambulance transport, emergency room care, and follow-up specialist treatment after a pedestrian crash? Often, yes. If a driver's negligence caused the crash, you can typically seek compensation for reasonable and necessary medical care tied to the collision, like emergency medical services and ambulance transport, emergency room treatment, imaging, surgery, and follow-up specialist visits. The two big issues are proving the driver was at fault and proving each medical charge was caused by the crash. That is why documentation matters so much. Medical records, itemized bills, and a clear timeline showing when symptoms started, what was diagnosed, and why each service was needed. Evidence like a crash report, witness statements, photos, and video can also help show how the crash happened and why emergency care was necessary. One major pitfall is the argument that later treatment was not related to the crash, especially with specialist care or delayed imaging, so consistent records and follow-up are important. Another major issue is contributory negligence in some states, meaning if the pedestrian is found even slightly at fault, recovery can be barred in many cases. Because these cases can turn on small details, it helps to preserve evidence early and get guidance on how to present the facts clearly.